How is the US Mint coin made? Ever wondered how the coins in your wallet are made? These pocket-sized marvels carry more than monetary value. They're tiny pieces of art. Today, we're diving behind the scenes at the US Mint to uncover the mesmerizing process that transforms metal blanks into the coins we use every day. Every coin starts as a design, sketched by talented artists. These designs are carefully reviewed, chosen, and transformed into detailed molds used in production. The goal? To create highly durable coins that also tell a story about America's spirit and identity. Inside the mint, high-speed presses strike coin blanks with tremendous force, embedding the design deeply into both sides. This intense process ensures every coin is uniform, precise, and pristine. Watching sparks fly as billions of coins are minted? It's a sight of engineering genius. Before the days of the US Mint, blacksmiths manually forged coins using fire, hammers, and anvils. They were the unsung heroes who laid the foundation for today's minting process. Insert a blacksmith image here to appreciate this vital link between ancient craftsmanship and modern minting marvels. After minting, each coin undergoes rigorous quality checks. Experts inspect everything, from weight to shine, to meet strict standards. It's this precision that keeps our currency trusted across generations. Behind every coin lies hours of meticulous care and craftsmanship. Coins harbor untold stories and history right in the palm of your hand. If you found this journey through the US Mint fascinating, there's so much more to uncover in the world of finance, wealth, and history. Curious for more? Smash that subscribe button and join Financial Table for engaging insights and eye-opening stories like this one. Subscribe Financial Table for more.